A lot of the times I really don't know where a lot of this come from. But yeah, I ain't got enough time. What it is, what it is. I ain't got enough time, 'cause I can't do that. This life can really be whatever you make it. A bigger vision gotta come with some patience. We ain't got enough. Bigotry, hatred, and whatever you face. The problem we making by being complacent. We ain't got enough time.
They can never understand dying simply cause the color of your skin. Living not enough. The system just in favor of the clan. Judge wanna give us life plus 10 like it's not enough time.
This life can really be whatever you make it. A bigger vision gotta come with some patience. We ain't got enough. Bigotry, hatred, and whatever you face. The problem we making by being complacent. We ain't got enough time.
They can never understand dying simply cause the color of your skin. Living not enough. The system just in favor of the clan. Judge wanna give us life plus 10 like it's not enough time. I'm willing to sacrifice I sacrificed. My old flame just wanna burn me in my afterlife. Money ain't get baptized, so I don't save it. It ain't after Christ. Niggas think they better, they ain't half as nice. Been getting bread for a while, my niggas can have a slice. Been living wild, I think I'm done with these ratchet nights. Still hit a static, my niggas grabbing the ratchet like you won't get a chance to fight, cause they ain't get a chance in life. My cousin poured his heart out, he don't wanna sell drugs and steal, but life took his drive from him, so he's just robbing Will. Mad at me cause I don't never take the time to chill. It's hard being blind without the skill of finding the field. And I feel like this image is God-given. Perform miracles every day just like God did it. Do it for the culture, never told you that I did it. Get it, then team split it, you got it if I get it. And I know where pain live, now I'm cold-hearted, I don't know what pain is. My homie told me he's smoking and popping pain pills. I just tell him be careful, you know that pain kills. But he ain't got enough life in him to notice that he was a king living. The pigs killing our kings can up a Prince vision. It's the victory lap. I hustle to get a Nipsey. I'm different, wish I could break down addiction, but we ain't got enough time.
This life can really be whatever you make it. A bigger vision gotta come with some patience. We ain't got enough. Bigotry, hatred, and whatever you face. The problem we making by being complacent. We ain't got enough time.
They can never understand dying simply cause the color of your skin. Living not enough. The system just in favor of the clan. Judge wanna give us life plus 10 like it's not enough time.
This life can really be whatever you make it. A bigger vision got.
Alright man, good morning. What y'all just witnessed was my 36-minute drive to my spot, my PlayStation I would call it. But today we're doing some contracted work with my boys at Easy Car Wash. Yeah, simple as that. In a second I'm gonna go ahead and set up everything, so y'all gonna see me set up. I'll explain everything. Give me a second. I'm gonna go use the restroom and we're gonna get to it. So man, of course, over the course of today, you guys will kind of see how the Easy Car Wash, how their system works, how and why I use it. Stay tuned. Like I say, this is gonna be cool contracted work. So they got an app. You download the app, you schedule your appointment on there. They send out emails and do the marketing for me and all that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get set up out here so I can be prepared. I got a customer at 8 a.m. already scheduled, so we're gonna see what else might pop up on the app. Also, the app, I'm gonna show you guys that it's really cool, easy way to book. Let's go ahead and get set up real quick. Give me a minute. Got my little, these are my basic setups, what I take to every location with me. We'll go ahead and set up the wash buckets and stuff like that. So when customers come, I have one at 8 a.m. like I said. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set up and show you guys the app. This will be like my vacuum station right here, and over here will be my wash station. So I'm gonna go set this up. There we go. Extension cord set up. Once this thing get up and going, it can really stretch 75 feet. So yeah, I'm going here and grab something to eat real quick at this little cafeteria. Back door access. You gotta be exclusive. Go where I go. It's locked. I gotta walk all the way around. But be back in a second. Good morning.
The politicians all think that our time is limited. Living life to the fullest, don't know but your time is ticking. Through darkness I found my strength, but held on just to where I've been. You gotta be the change you want, opportunity never ends. Live your life, don't get caught up in the basics. The circumstances take a toll when you make it, so be aware for the faking. Everybody ain't your friend or your homie. Fake the phone just cause they want you for your money. Stay the same, keep it 100. My dog locked up fighting 30, I can't miss, so I shoot just for the boots with the truth. You gon' feel this, gotta put us in position. Gon' know we win it, triple M, yeah, we the business from the trenches. Had to get it, had to come up, so I stayed down. Helping out, too down to me to my face now. But it all made me go harder, my dreams becoming much larger. So face the fact that I'm in position to play now. So tell me, do we really know what change is? Mental slaves for attention, feel like you can't live. My homie told me, hope we the game feel. I just tell him it's saturated with lames here. But he ain't got enough sense in him to notice that all these rappers the same. Disrespect queens and ain't music prince, that's the product of pain. It's that reality rap. The tension thick, so it's time that I strain. Make sure they stay in their lane, cause it feel like the right time. This life can really be whatever you make it. A bigger vision gotta come with some patience. We ain't got enough bigotry, hatred, and whatever you face. The problem we making by being complacent. We ain't got enough time.
They could never understand dying simply cause the color of your skin. Living not enough. The system just in favor of the clan. Judge wanna give us life plus 10 like it's not enough time.
Show you guys the Easy Car Wash app, but this is the employee panel right here. I'm at Granite West Lion. Here's search for today. There we go. Phone. This is the car I just washed. Thing on here, phone number, all that. So I go ahead and hit take. Reservation taken, and then to do information here, done, finish service, email sent. That was me contact the customer, let them know their ride is done, just simply by me closing out the wash. Then you go home. Right now there is nothing else scheduled at this location. For now I just kind of camp out. If I want to, wash my truck or something like that, read a book, you know, something like that. But so this is what it looked like. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like to schedule an appointment with me up here if you worked here. So if you worked here, you would click Granite West Lion. You would pick your service. You want inside and out, or interior, or just exterior only. Let's say you pick the interior and exterior. You got add-ons here. Let's say we pick a few of them. So pick today's date. These are the times that's available. Here it is, your receipt right here. To check out, use the promo code. There is one for this location that they have inside. Your card information here, and then pay. And simple as that. So that's the app, man. Like I said, I love the business model. It looks good. I won't go into depth as far as recording the whole car wash, just because I don't want to take up too much of y'all's time. But yeah, like, just stay tuned. We got more. We should have more coming. I pray we do. And we out. Update. We got this BMW. Battery is getting low, so move quick through this.
A lot of the times I really don't know where a lot of this come from. But yeah, I ain't got enough time. What it is, what it is. I ain't got enough time, cause I can't be ready. This life can really be whatever you make it. A bigger vision gotta come with some patience. We ain't got enough bigotry, hatred, and whatever you face. The problem we making by being complacent. We ain't got enough time.
They could never understand dying simply cause the color of your skin. Living not enough. The system just in favor of the clan. Judge wanna give us life plus 10 like it's not enough time.
This life can really be whatever you make it. A bigger vision gotta come with some patience. We ain't got enough bigotry, hatred, and whatever you face. The problem we making by being complacent. We ain't got enough time.
They could never understand dying simply cause the color of your skin. Living not enough. The system just in favor of the clan. Judge wanna give us life plus 10 like it's not enough. Look, I'm willing to sacrifice. I sacrificed. My old flame just wanna burn me in my afterlife. Money ain't get baptized, so I don't save it. It ain't after Christ. Think they better, they ain't half as nice. Been getting bread for a while, my can have a slice. Been living wild, I think I'm done with these ratchet nights. Still hit a static. Grabbing the ratchet like you won't get a chance to fight, cause they ain't get a chance in life. My cousin poured his heart out, he don't wanna sell drugs and steal, but life took his drive from him, so he's just robbing Will. Mad at me cause I don't never take the time to chill. It's hard being blind without the skill of finding the feel. And I feel like this image is God-given. Perform miracles every day just like God did it. Do it for the culture, never told you that I did it. Get it then team split it, you got it if I get it. And I know where pain live, now I'm cold-hearted, I don't know what pain is. My homie told me he's smoking and popping pain pills. I just tell him be careful, you know that pain kills. But he ain't got enough life in him to notice that he was a king. Living the pigs, killing our kings can f up a Prince vision. It's the victory lap, I hustle to get a Nipsey. I'm different, wish I could break down addiction, but we ain't got enough time.
This life can really be whatever you make it. A bigger vision gotta come with some patience. We ain't got enough. Bigotry, hatred, and whatever you face. The problem we making by being complacent. We ain't got enough time.
They could never understand dying simply cause the color of your skin. Living not enough.